Yeah, all right. I think people are popping through, so we can go ahead and start. Okay. So today is National Banana Bread Day. Miss Mac wants me to share this with you guys. We had this conversation going with the other cohorts. What do you guys think about banana bread? Feel free to just drop it in the chat. Doesn't have to be long. And what usually goes in your banana bread? Yeah, it's pretty good. You love it? Yes. Okay. Do you guys usually add like nuts to your banana bread? That was like a conversation that Miss Mac and I had because she doesn't like nuts, but I usually add. Yeah. Wow. Okay. You guys seem like some good bakers. Maybe I should learn from you guys. Okay. Okay. It's okay. You don't have to like banana bread. That's good. All right. Anyways, so today is National Banana Bread Day, which is really good. Maybe you can go home. Or me. You guys are already home. Nuts kills it. Okay. Yeah. Make a little bit snacky snack for yourself. Give yourself like a treat yourself moment after a long day of hard work. Okay. So we don't really have announcement today, besides the fact that Miss Mac is not here with us today. I think she has a slide. Yes, this is her slide. She wants me to tell you guys how much she wants to be here. And yeah, she made this for you guys. And she feels really bad for missing class again. And that this is going to be last class that she misses for a very, very long time. So she's not going to miss out in the near future. But yes, that's her slide. Okay, so we don't have much announcement. So for today, what we're going to do is, did everybody watch the video? Can I have like a Y in the chat if you've watched the video? Okay, cool. Thank you, Antoine. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Sarah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Diana. Thank you, Elvia. So I think most of you guys have already watched the video. So we're going to head straight into IXL. And throughout IXL, if you guys have any question, any particular one that you guys want me to work on, you can just private message me and we can work on those. Because I think Sohcahtoa is like a revision for you guys, right? From geometry. So you guys probably are familiar with that. Yes. Okay, cool. But I'm not sure if you guys seen cotangent, cosecant, and secant. So those might be new for you guys. But the general idea is the same. But yeah, so Miss Mac wants you guys to spend this time to work on the IXL. Do you guys have access to IXL? You guys should find it in Canvas. No problem. Done with the notes. Oh yeah, Miss Mac wants me to make a poll. So it's oh, I never ended that poll. That's embarrassing. Oop. All right, give me a second to set up the poll. I guess we can use true or false. Nah, true or false the same. Let's do yes, no, ITK. All right. So yes, as in you've done the note, we're good. No, as in you haven't had the chance to watch the video. Okay, that's fine. Cool. Okay, I think the majority of people have done it. Cool. So, all right, so we're still waiting on some votes. 4 more people. The people who haven't gone through the video, would you prefer that I go through the note with you guys? So you can private message me yes or private message me no. The 4 people who told me that he or she has not gotten over the note, can you private message me so I know that what you would prefer. Or if you want to watch a video on your own, it's also linked on Canvas. So I'll be waiting to hear back from those humans. Sounds good. Okay, so it sounds like most of you guys did it, which is good. And those who haven't had the chance, that's fine. We can either go through it together, or you guys can decide whether you want to watch the show, watch the video recording or not. Okay. Is this a new one? Okay, so I guess Miss Mac gives you guys the option that if you didn't take the notes, you can pop into the breakout room and take notes. And if you have any questions, just call me. If you took notes and want to work with your team, that's also fine. You guys can also join another breakout room. And if else, I think you guys should start on your IXL. Does that make sense? Yeah? No? You know where to find your IXL? And I will be looking at the live progress of your IXL. So if you have problems, you can message me there too. Let me just hop over. What if you finished the whole assignment? Well, okay. If you're done with the whole assignment, then you're free to go. You can leave early. Just take some moment to rest. But make sure you say bye though, because I can hear people leaving, but I can't tell who's leaving. Okay, bye. So those of you who finished it, bye. You guys can leave. Those of you who haven't started, thank you. Bye. Those of you who haven't started, I would like you guys to either launch the IXL or go into a breakout room and start taking notes. Yeah, have a great day. Okay, so I haven't gotten any message from people who hasn't had the chance to watch the video. So those 4 people who said no in the poll, can you private message me? So I know whether you would prefer working on watching the video on your own or you want me to go through it in class. Okay, that's fine. Thank you for letting me know. I heard back from one wonderful human. Can I hear back from the 3 other people in private messages? Would appreciate it. Okay, cool. Yeah, you want to work on it, Antoine? You want to tell me which problem it is? Cool. Awesome.
On the assignment, on the actual assignment, at the bottom where the last 4 problems are, it's the one with the cylinder, or I think the cone, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, I think it's a cone. Okay, give me a second. Let me pull out the assignment. Are you talking about mild too?
Yes.
Okay, cool. All right, let me share my screen real quick so we can work on it together. Share screen. Hey. There might be some lag because I don't know why my iPad's not very compatible with those softwares, but here we go. The radius of the base of the right circular cone shown below is 5 inches, and the height of the cone is 7 inches. Solving which of the following equations gives the measure theta of the angle formed by the slant height of the cone and the radius. So what we have here, if we look from the perspective of theta, which is right here, is we have, oh, uh-oh, okay, give me a second. It shut off. Come on, iPad, you got this. Cool, we're back. Okay, so what we have right here, right, we have 7, which from the perspective of this theta is the opposite. So we have opposite, and we have right here adjacent, right? Does that make sense from here?
Yes, it did.
Okay, so we have opposite and adjacent, right? So when you have opposite and adjacent, which of the 3 basic identities would you use? Would you use sine, cosine, or tangent?
I'll use tangent.
Exactly, that's perfect. So if we want to find tangent theta equals opposite over adjacent, right? So what do we have for opposite?
The opposite is 7.
Adjacent is?
It's 5.
Exactly. So that is your answer.
Oh, I was
Yeah.
overthinking it.
Does
What
that
I
make sense?
Yeah, it did. What
Okay.
I thought you had to originally do was like solve each one of these because that's what I started to do, and I
Oh my
started to
goodness,
solve
you're
them with like
way ahead of your game. You're doing way too much for this question. But wow, yeah. So this is actually like a simpler question that only asks you to like give the formula. You don't even have to solve for the number, the actual degree. We good?
thank you.
Awesome.
Yes.
Yeah, of course. Okay, cool. All right, so I'll be here. If you have any question that you want to ask for the remainder of our class, just let me know and I can help you with it. Or else I'll just be on IXL to track the progress of everybody. Let's see. Hmm. Hmm. Is everybody on IXL? Let me see. I don't see. Okay. Hi, team. Right now I only see Leslie on IXL. Can everybody be working on IXL right now, please? Okay, cool. Thank you for letting me know. You can be working on your assignment, but I would prefer if you start on your IXL so I can see you completed it. Okay, cool. Wow. Let me see. Okay, who else completed the IXL? Okay, wow. Awesome. Okay. Are you guys all working on the assignment? Are you guys all working on part 3 right now? Got it, got it. Okay. Cool. Yeah, because I checked, most of you guys have finished your IXL. So Can I have a gauge at which question you guys are on right now? If you don't want to come off me, you can just type it in the chat.
I'm completed with everything now.
Yeah, that's awesome.
So
Have you submitted?
yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm about to submit it.
Okay, cool. So once you submit it, you're free to go.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, of course. How's everybody else doing? Like once you're done, you're free to go. So you don't have to stay here. You guys have about 15 minutes to continue with the task. I'll give you guys another 5-minute warning.
Um, I submitted it. Bye.
Bye. All right, you guys have 5 more minutes